and the volume. I already have the formulas up there for you, okay? So right now, can you please start talking to one another? How are we going to find the surface area of a prism? So right now you're thinking about that and talking. Please talk to one another. How do you find the surface area of a rectangular prism?
Find all the areas.
Yeah, so there's like it's like a cylinder that you find exactly to top and bottom.
Okay, and what is this shape right here, guys?
Triangle.
Triangle?
Triangular prism.
Thank you, it's a triangular prism. Okay, and what are we going to be looking for when we're solving for the surface area? What are we going to do? Yes, Gabby.
Half base times height times 2 less.
Plus the lateral, okay. So when you say half base times height, what are you talking about?
Talking about, okay, so you know how you multiply base times height?
Uh-huh.
And then you get that, and then to find the area of a triangle, you do base times height divided by 2,
Uh-huh.
because it's half of a like rectangle or square.
Okay. So that's what you're thinking about. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about this. Remember, it's the bases that tell us what we're going to do. So, what we're going to do right now is I'm going to have you stand up. Remember our chant, and we're going to talk about that. Okay? Okay. You guys are wonderful. Okay. So when we're talking about surface area, it's lateral plus the 2 bases. And then volume is what? What is the volume? What is this, the formula? What is it?
Times height.
But what base? Base of what?
Bottom.
Yeah, the base of the area. Okay. So, ready? It's not working out. Okay, ready? Let's start, okay? So when we're looking for surface area and volume, we're going to talk about that, okay? So, who wants to start out? You guys ready? Yeah?
Wait, this on?
Yeah, you want to start this on?
1,
2, 3, 4. Tell me what you're looking for. Surface area, lateral plus 2 times base. It's all about the base, the base, the base. It's all about the base. Base times height. It's all about the base. Half base times height. It's all about the base. Pi r squared. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me what you're looking for. Volume, volume. Base times height. It's all about the base, the base, the base. It's all about the base. Base times height. It's all about the base. Half base times height. It's all about the base. Pi r squared. Good. Okay, so this is what we do, and we're always looking at our base. So what, this popcorn problem that we did earlier, what was the base for this cylinder? What was the base?
The bottom.
The bottom. And what is that bottom called? What is the shape of that base? Circle. How many bases do we have in this popcorn? One. So we're not going to use the 2 base, right? It depends on what you're talking about. And if we wanted to find the volume of this, what will we do? Yes?
Pi r squared times height.
Height of what?
The height of the popcorn.
Right, the height of the popcorn. What does r squared stand for? Everybody start thinking. What does r stand for?
Radius.
Yes, it's pi r squared and it's radius squared. What is the radius of this popcorn?
4.
What is the diameter?
8.
Okay. And what is the height of the prism?
9.5.
9.5. So now let's substitute all this into our volume formula. And we have base, which is a circle. It's a cylinder, so we're going to say cylinder. So we're going to take the circle. And we're going to do, was I doing surface area or volume? Volume. Okay. So I'm going to take the base, the area of the base, which is pi r squared, times the height. And then we're just going to substitute in there. Okay, Savannah and everybody, you're thinking right now, what is the number I need to put in here? What do I have to put in there? Anya, what do I have to put in there?
4.
4, okay, so we have 4 squared. And what is the height? We already said it was 9.5. And so now we're going to multiply this, and maybe some of you are already thinking about it. So what do we have? What do we have for the height, for the volume? So 9.5 times 16, that is 8. Okay, and then we're going to go over here, that's 54. Carry the 5, 44, 0, 12, 32. And we have 152. 152. 152 pi what?
R
R
squared.
Inches squared. Okay, good.
No, cube.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Yes, it is cube. Okay, good job. Okay, thank you very much. Let's get started on the rest of our work.